GMP prediction for Krishna Diagnostic Limited IPO 2021 by Vridhivesh Finance. Krishna Diagnostic Limited detail of IPO opening date will be 4th August 2021. IPO closing date will be 6th August 2021. Issue type is book build. Issue IPO face value 5 rupees per equity share. IPO pricing band between 933 to 954 rupees only per equity share. 15 shares per lot. Minimum order quantity 15 share. Listing at NSE BSE. Basis of allotment date will be 11th August 2021. The initiation of refund will happen on 12th August 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will happen on 13th August 2021. IPO listing date will be 17th August 2021. Vridhivesh Finance has given the target for subscription between 45% to 75% for Krishna Diagnostic Limited, which is nearly achieved. I mean to say that is the total number of subscription by this IPO is 64.40%, where we can say yes, absolutely 10% we fall it from. We can say we have achieved 65% target from I mean to say at least we meet minimum expectation. Yes, maximum exact expectations we can also achieve, but unfortunately there is IPO by choice. That's the reason which we haven't touched the subscription prediction. But yeah, 75, 65, 10% there is a difference between this. And yes, we have achieved this subscription prediction even there is IPO by choice. Hopefully we will do next time better estimated prediction analytics and gives you in detail when IPO details has been given to you. Yes, and please keep watch on a gray market strategy. Hopefully in that case we will give it to you exact number of GMP. Hopefully we can see on the 17th August what will be the result on the day of listing for this share. Hopefully this company will gives you better return, because if we see this company gives you probably in between 1200 to 1400. We have given some numbers too, but it can touches to 1500 too in case they did it well. As a healthcare sector is really doing a great job during the pandemic, even after first wave, second wave of COVID too. Across the world, healthcare sector did it well. So here is the diversification subscription report. If you see for a Krishna Diagnostic, it is the QIB, that is qualified institutional buyer, 49.83 number of times of total mint category, where there is the foreign investors for FIIs. Domestic investors are also available in the financial institution and insurance company and bank, where mutual funds is also available. Other is also available. Then if you see non-institutional investors are more, that is number of times of total mint for the category is 116.30, where if you see retail investors, individual investors are 42.04, that is number of times of the total mint category. Okay, apart from their employees is also subscriber for this, that is 0.98 number of times of total mint for the category, where if you see total all over this IPO has performed 64.40%. So that's the reason we can see at least they did it well. Krishna Diagnostic Limited prediction for 17th August 2021, that is GMP prediction. In case they offer you discount offer, it may goes up to 900, and minimum we are expecting this share will be get listed, that is 1150 minimum INR, and maximum INR we are expecting 1385 onward only. Probably this may touch up 1500, because if you see Krsnaa Diagnostic and other healthcare sector currently booming into the market, yes, their competitors too. Tips for the investors by Vridhi Finance, who's holding Krsnaa Diagnostic Limited shares. If it offer discount offer on the day of listing, that is on 17th August, hold it. Dear investors, you can hold it at least day of listing in case they offer discount price, but it wouldn't happen usually because this is a healthcare sector. Choice is yours to invest further or not. Yes, healthcare sector is a high-end performing in the current Sensex and Nifty too. And even since 2021, if you see pharma, healthcare and research institutes, research companies are also like biotech, life science, chemicals, these are all related to each other. So that's the reason this will do much better, as much as there are number of diseases are coming soon. Means like first wave, second wave, third wave of COVID and all. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. Yes, but we can see Krsnaa Diagnostic is not depend on the COVID much. They are more into the cancer specialist, heart specialist, and their current basically there are number of things like this is a pathology lab and all. So that's the reason if we see any reports, if you want to give to your doctor, you will go to diagnostic center. So probably this company will do in next few decades too.